Why is international human rights law key for deportation defense? Imagine facing a process that could send you back to danger or separation from your family. It's a tough situation, and understanding how international human rights law can help is important. When someone is facing deportation, they often feel overwhelmed and unsure of their rights. That's where these laws come in. They set basic rules that protect people from unfair treatment and ensure their dignity is respected. These laws help challenge deportation decisions that could violate fundamental rights like protection from torture, family unity, and fair treatment. One key part of international human rights law is the principle of due process. This means that everyone must get a fair hearing in court. They should have the chance to tell their side, see evidence against them, and have legal help. Without this, deportation could happen without proper review, especially for vulnerable groups like Black immigrants who might face systemic barriers. Another important rule is non-refoulement. This rule stops countries from sending people back to places where they could face torture, persecution, or inhumane treatment. If an immigrant's safety is at risk, deportation cannot go ahead. This requires careful, individual assessments of each case, giving the person a chance to appeal and access legal counsel. Many Black immigrants fleeing violence or discrimination, relying on this protection to stay safe. International treaties also stress the importance of keeping families together. Deporting someone without considering their family ties or the harm it could cause violates these protections. For Black immigrants, whose cultural roots are deeply connected to their community and family, these rules are especially important. They help ensure that deportation decisions are fair and take into account the human side of each case. Using international human rights law in deportation defense can strengthen legal arguments. Advocates can demand fair procedures, challenge unjust removals, and protect people from being sent back to danger. Having access to legal help makes a big difference. Immigrants with attorneys are much more likely to stay in the country and avoid wrongful deportation. For Black immigrants, these laws are vital because they recognize and defend their dignity and rights. They provide a legal foundation to fight unfair treatment and support their cultural identity. By applying these protections, advocates can help ensure that deportation decisions are just and respect human rights. In the end, international human rights law plays a key role in making sure deportation processes are fair, safe, and respectful of families and communities. It helps protect the stories and rights of Black immigrants who are navigating the complex U.S. immigration system.